Hey guys, just wanted to show you our new wood stand. This is day 3 of our new wood stand. So I ran into some issues with this. We had put wheels on it, and I'm in the process of taking the wheels off. So you can see here the wheels are still on this side, but on the opposite side, you can see I've got cinder blocks on there now, but we did have the wood there with the wheels, but the wood broke and the whole stand fell over and all of the wood fell out. So anyway, that's the reason why I have the cinder blocks there. I'm taking the wheels off of this side, and we're just gonna support this thing with either cinder blocks, or I've got some blocks left over from the patio that we put in last year. So either way, we're not going with the wheels anymore. The wheels worked well for towing this out with the Ranger, but once you have this in place, the wheels will not work because it'll tip over and it could really hurt somebody. So luckily, Nancy saw this before anybody came out. She actually saw it fall over, and I went out there immediately and put these blocks under here. So anyway, the stand's doing well. You can see it's empty, and we've sold 3 loads so far in 3 days, and all 3 of those loads were yesterday. Yesterday was the second day, so today it's morning right now. So I want to get this thing loaded back up. It's Saturday, so we'll see how we do. So Friday seems to be a good day. Friday afternoon, after 5 o'clock, I think. Between that and say maybe 8, we sold 3 loads. So that seems to be the time when people want to buy the wood. So anyway, I'm going to do some additional videos of this, or additional sections of this video, to show kind of how I built it. And I got this idea from Adam at where's he from? I forget, but Adam and I think Dan from Back 40, those 2 guys had the idea, and I kind of followed their plan. Mine is a little different. I only have the 4 bays. I think they have 8. My bays are a little wider, about the same height, so you get a little bit more wood with mine, but it's been working fine. It's been working very well. So anyway, I'm gonna pause this for now. Okay guys, got the wheels off. So here's the wheels. Nancy picked these up at Mark's. I mean, they're really nice pneumatic wheels. They have these locking pins so that the wheels lock or unlock. They work great for rolling this out here. I mean, here's where they were attached. Just had the 4 holes in the bottom of each pallet, but this wood is not that strong. And again, it broke on the other side. So you can see it's missing. That piece is no longer there, and it cracked, and again the whole stand fell over. So anyway, I have these cinder blocks on this side. I have some leftover landscaping or patio blocks, which are very strong, holding it on this side. So there you have it. Again, just taking a look at the stand itself, it's similar to what other guys have put out there. It's a little smaller. It only has the 4 bays. Nancy did the painting. We've got the cash box there. So Nancy did a good job with the lettering. I've got the roofing on it to keep everything dry. Here's the back side, and you can see I put some some pallet wood in there, just kind of pounded that in there to section it off. Use some, this doesn't look so great, but this is what I came up with to wire the cash box in here to prevent people from walking off with that. So anyway, it's been doing very well. So right now I'm gonna go ahead and refill this, restock it. Okay guys, this is the part of the pallet that broke. So this is what happened. This board on the bottom of the pallet cracked. Okay. And once that thing cracked, the weight pressing on those tires caused the tires to roll, and the whole thing tipped forward, and all of the wood came out onto the ground. So anyway, if you guys are thinking about putting wheels on your stand, you need to put it on some stronger wood. I just didn't realize how heavy that stand is with a fully loaded stack of wood. Alright guys, just wanted to show you how I load this up. So basically I'm using my Ranger. It's a Ranger 570, I think it's a 2018. And I can get quite a bit of wood in this. I'm not sure, this is my first time really trying to track how much it takes to fill this up. So this is a pretty full load. We'll see how much it actually fills up. Okay guys, this is what I ended up with. So I have these two bays completely full. Well, I wouldn't say completely full. I guess I could go maybe 5 or 6 inches higher. It's probably about 32, 33 inches high by 24 inches wide by 16 deep. So it's a lot of wood. I'm estimating between 55 and 60 pieces of wood in each bay. And I did get a partial load in this other bay here. Let's see what I got there. So that's what I did with the Ranger. So time to go back and get another load. Okay guys, I got my second load here, so we're going to finish up loading up this side of it, and we'll see how it goes today. We got beautiful weather today in Ohio, so hopefully a lot of people are going to want to make some fires today, and we'll see how it goes today.